Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, through this proclamation, we are discussing the problem of a very important unit of this country where the President's rule has been promulgated. While supporting the resolution, I want to make some observations not only on Mizoram but the entire northeastern region where the political situation continues to cause concern for this country. Very often we talk about insurgency, but to me, in the northeastern region, even before independence, we were fighting for the identity. People were asserting, and we were asserting for our very survival in this country. Post of paragraph. By nature, tribal, they are very suspicious as far as their identity is concerned in this wide Indian culture. Naturally, the tribal people in the northeastern region have felt that unless they assert their identity, they would become totally submerged and they would be become second-rate citizens in this country. That was fear that they apprehended and it grew over the years. Full stop. Paragraph. Another movement, I do not call it insurgency, was a political movement in Nagaland by which they had adopted a policy of non-violence, peaceful approach to the solution of the problem, but when they were pushed to the wall, they had to take up arms and they never called themselves Nega army. They called themselves safeguards. It was a part of the undivided Assam because of the policy action. They had to defend themselves and gradually it has developed into a political movement and they had to take up arms to defend themselves, to protect themselves, to protect the village. Full stop. Paragraph. In this way, this kind of political movement continued not only in Nagaland but also in other parts of the northeastern region. This was followed by Mizoram, then again Manipur, and today this has been spread to Assam also. So do not take it only from the point of view of insurgency. Full stop.